Good morning, students. I am Satish Suryavanshi. I am maths teacher in N. Basavakondra Mose Junior College, Yerodapuni 6. I welcome again you all in math e-learning session. Now, today we are going to start the examples on combined equation of two lines or joint equation of two lines. So, exercise number 1 here. So, in exercise number 1, so there are 3 questions. Find the combined equation of the following pairs of lines. Number 1, passing through the point 2, 3 and perpendicular to the lines 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. And second one, passing through the origin and perpendicular to these lines. And third one, passing through the point minus 1, 2 and perpendicular to the lines. Now solve the equations one by one. So write down example number 1, solution 1. So before solving this example, we know that how to find the slope of the given line. The slope of line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is equal to minus a upon b is equals to minus. What is a? A is nothing but it is the coefficient of variable x and b is the coefficient of variable y. So formula is minus coefficient of x upon minus coefficient of y. So now write down given equations. Given equations are 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. Now first find the slope of line. Slope of line 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0 is equal to, by using the formula, minus 3 upon 2u. But given line is perpendicular to this line, but required line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore slope of a required line is equal to plus 2 upon 3 is equal to m1c. Now see here, suppose the equation of line is 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Be a equation of line whose slope is, suppose slope of this line is m is equals to minus 3 by 2. But now consider another line with this line is perpendicular to this line. Then what is the slope of this line is? Here slope is minus, but in this it is plus, and then reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Because we know that if product of slopes m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1, then the lines are perpendicular. If slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. But here in this example, the lines are perpendicular to each other. So definitely slope of this line is, say, m1 is minus 3 by 2 and then slope of other is 2 by 3 because their product. Verify it. It is minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is 3 cut, it is minus 1. So definitely lines are perpendicular to each other. So now find slope of the second line. So slope of line x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0 is equals to minus 1 upon minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 3. but required line is perpendicular to the line x minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore slope of required line is equal to, so slope of this line is, it is plus here but in this it is minus, then reciprocal of this is 3 upon 1 is equal to m2 sec. So it is number 1, so it is number 2. Now the required equation of lines passing through the points 2, 3 with slopes it is 2 by 3 and minus 3 respectively are. So we know that point slope form by using point slope form. So what is point slope form? So it is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Be a equation of line passing through a point and having slope m here. So therefore it is y minus y1 is equals to m1 into x minus x1 and y minus y1 is equals to m2 into x minus x1. So now substitute their values of x1, y1 and slopes m1 and m2 in this equation. So here point is 2, 3. The value of x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. Now substitute here. It is y minus 3 is equals to, what is the slope? m1 with the slope, it is 2 by 3 into bracket x minus 2, and another equation is y minus 3 is equals to minus 3 into bracket x minus 2 here. Now find their equations. So by cross multiplication, 3 into y minus 3 is 2 times x minus 2 and y minus 3 is equals to minus 3 into x minus 2 here. Then open the bracket. So it is 3 times y minus 9 is equals to 2x minus 4 and y minus 3 is minus 3x plus 6. So minus 2x plus 3 times y minus 9 plus 4 is equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we write minus 2x plus 3 times y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 9 is equals to 0. So these are the two equations of line passing through point 2, 3 having slopes 2 by 3 and minus 3. So that is 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now to find the joint equation of these two lines, so therefore the required joint equation of lines. Which lines? 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 9 is equals to 0 are. So what is the joint equation here? So here 2x minus 3y plus 5 into 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Expand this bracket. So first multiply by 2x. It is 6 times x square plus 2 times xy minus 18 times x. Now multiply by minus 3y. It is minus 9 times xy minus plus minus 3 times y square minus plus 27 times y, then multiply by 5, it is plus 15x, then plus 5 times y minus 45 is equal to 0. So therefore 6x square. Now equate these terms. So it is 2x y minus 9xy is minus 7 times xy, then minus 3 times y square, then minus 18x plus 15x, which is minus 3x, then plus 27y plus 5 times y, it is 32y minus 45 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. So thank you.